Hello friend, my name is Azharul Haq. Welcome to Advanced English Academy. In today's video, I would like to say something on the topic Ramadan. Why Ramadan al-Mubarak is much more important than any other month of Islamic calendar. So today I would like to throw some light on it. Ramadan is most precious month in the Islamic calendar, and it is an obligatory for every Muslim to observe the Psalm, the fast, 1 month continuously. The holy month of Ramadan is most spacious time of the year and is observed with full enthusiasm by Muslim community across the world. Ramadan is the 9th month of Islamic calendar and the fall after end of Shaban month. And having said that, fasting in the month of Ramadan is equivalent to fasting 10 months continuously. According to teaching in Islam, Ramadan holds great importance as it is the first time when Allah revealed the Holy Quran to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The fasting during this month is considered as one of the 5th pillar of Islam. The 5 pillars of Islam are Shahada, Salat, Zakat, and Som, fasting, and Hajj. So this is the exaltation and this is the importance of this particular month. It is so called Ramadan. Therefore, you will see that most of the people will be busy in this month by giving the charity and observing Psalm, fast, and praying, worshipping the God. In this month of Ramadan, we have got opportunities to attain the forgiveness of our all sin, and spiritual doctors of the heart are in agreement that fasting softens the heart, making it more receptive and humble of a recitation of a Holy Quran. It is also said that in this month of Ramadan, read the Quran with full translation. Therefore, you will understand in better conditions. Because Allah said in the Holy Quran, we have sent down the Quran for your blessing. It is important for the people to read the Quran with translation in this month. Therefore, they can understand with better understanding. And that is the reason why Allah has said in the Holy Quran that we have sent down the Holy Quran for your blessings. So Ramzan al-Mubarak is the 9th month of according to Islamic calendar, and this fasting is consist approx 29 to 30 days. So in this month, people offer their prayer and participate in different kind of charity for the poor people. And the most important thing is that Muslims do not consume the food and water between sunrise to sunset. Therefore, Muslim believes that in the month of Ramadan, we learn some kind of discipline. For example, if someone involved in some kind of intoxicated things, they will live completely in this precious month.